This is going to be a quick run through of how we unspin the Super Spun article using the best spinner. So first thing you need to do is have the best spinner open and also have your Super Spun article open. Then it's Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy, come across to the article section in the best spinner, Ctrl V, paste it in. It's going to take a little while to accept it because you've got over 11,000 words in this example with 120,000 characters. So once it's in that state, that's the spin tax. If you click on Spun Article, we just want to check that it's producing the output that we need and want. Okay, now we come up to the top selection here and select Publish. And then we select Generate Articles. Now we can choose a number of articles. How many you pull off is entirely up to you. I would suggest anything between up to 700 as a maximum. You can go above 700, but again you would need to start checking uniqueness at that volume. So I'm going to run off 700 in this example. Okay, this section here will put something before, will be the bulk of the file name. So in this example I would just base it on the name of the Super Spun article. And then it will put a number after it so you know which ones you're using. So that's the setup, that's all that you need to do. And then we click on Generate Articles. That's going to take a while to run, so I'm going to pause the video while it does this. Once it's finished producing the unspun articles, then a little window will pop up and you can select where you want to save this. And once we've saved the file, you're going to have a zip file here. You can have a look inside the zip and you're going to see 700 unspun articles from that Super Spun article. You can open one up to have a look, and that's it. Any questions, contact me on Skype and let me know.